Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your email address on Wish. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. You'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now, besides the search bar, you'll be able to see an icon with the first initial of your name. Click on it. Then you'll be led to your profile page. Here, you'll have to click on the Edit Profile button. You'll be then led to the account settings, and on the email section, you can see that you'll have your previous email. You'll have to delete that email and type the new email that you'd like to update. After that, click on the Update Email button. Then you'll view this pop-up where you'll have to choose the first option so that Wish sends you a security code. The security code will look like this in your email sent by the Wish. Copy the code and enter it in this box. Then you'll again view this pop-up asking you to confirm the email that has been just sent to your updated email. Click on the OK button. After you open your updated email, click on the confirm button as shown on the screen. Now if you refresh this page, your email will have been successfully changed. So it is that easy to change your email on Wish, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.